It is the time to reap the reward of my hard work. Actually, it's a good feeling. I mean, harvesting my corns. This is what we have collected from the farm, and the work is ongoing. Harvesting requires long hours and extra workers, and these are my folks who are doing the job. I thank God for the massive harvest. We are headed to the farm for the second trip, and the greenery here is giving. I like this area. People like planting trees along the roads and also at the riverside. Guys, do you know that trees benefit our mental and physical health? Go and do research. Spending time around trees reduces stress and anxiety, lowers blood pressure, and also improve the mood. Guys, people here have worked so hard, have planted so many trees, and this is so nice.
ngangete video ba yaro mundo unachandike
survivor ndagera kubika nyumba tiare komenyete tigere ekari ngawo ndigete gwe tiare gengeyo hai tawo ndikoma wana ndinapa naro kone ngaka karua wana gatiri ni lino ngwana ngakora madone ni lino ubadanga naruti bituma ga wana ni lino mona lete ai wate yara njande gete wana tiniko jinjire wana tokutia abasumbua
Akena twende ngoro biyega.
atuwetega atuchuwethaga
abantu bamanye ngati amaine abantu bali mbala rumwe
etaga
kakale ndi bamanye ukari ngai ngakitikuruka ngekomoni
Hebu tuende. Papu, umeona? Uchi wachumata tu kweli? Oh,
Usi ali kana ndibwate. Ah, yangu sai.
Ya.
Mwalini ile.
Ya. Wani mkora mzee. Korea. Hapo Korea.
nyamwati goyo mongi mwamutigera gose.
Ai taroko.
Oh.
Tasige dikoli na ga. Ekorom.
Dia weke tuko gari ya. Tuko gari ya.
Dige genga.
Yaimogire. Ona ya jira yengi. Unalia maguta naro? Mwambi. Ngatuwa no korota nsa bwa ibika. Ya jawangu. Wale bibi yanyo ya mwe bibi. Wali mwana ba majiguma bakole basi.
Masakara ya kwende rumwe.
Bako tanza abo baki ya sawa nezi mahali. Mukuruta masakara isabu. Gono mwadi wate bitum. Aba tulikie ni kerokyo.
Eto ya rutira tambe.
Ndio kia wali ni ki. Ndio kia wali ni ki.
Haro.
Okay, mnaweka isaidia hapa. Wataweka hapa, si ndio?
Ya rusie nyumba tena mmoja. Harusi guni gote. Musa utari kwa seta. Musa utari kwa seta. Ngo. Pia kabisa. Ndio kwa nyumba. Bora ba. Tikuni jingo ila tuli.
Bwana tole na chereche. This is what we have harvested, and you can see some of them are kind of green, and I think this is the best stage of harvesting this type or breed of corns, because last time when we left them to dry properly they got spoiled, and we are going to leave these corns for 3 days, then we dehusk them. Finally, we dehusked the corns, as you can see, and we try to sort the bad ones and the good ones. And this time round, I'm super proud because of the massive harvest. And on this season, most of the corns were not bad. As you can see, this is what we sorted. These are the bad ones, and there are not so many compared to the last season. The last season I was so pissed off, but this time round I thank God. And these are the bad ones, and we are going to grind these into the chicken feeds. And coming to these good ones, we are going to dry these cobs in the sunshine to reduce the moisture content. Then later on we are going to store them in the best proof. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. See you on the next video. Bye.